Well, we got back from a trip. It's just about ready to go on another trip, but something new is coming today. But it's not for the van, it's for in the house. Thanks for watching. When we did the van build, Custom Mattress Factory was a corporate partner for us, and so they supplied us with 4-inch models of their Levi model of RB mattress, and actually those mattresses are fine for in the house too. And so we did 2 the same size for our bed platforms, and then we have 2 narrow ones that can fit in here when we put in the pieces there, but we like having this aisle. And so we've been saying forever that these mattresses are more comfortable than what we have inside, and they are. So recently I ordered, and I did pay for, a mattress for our one of our beds. We have a bedroom set up on our front porch that we actually sleep out there most of the time unless it's crazy hot, and I'll show you that. You might think, some people think we're kind of crazy sleeping out there, but it's a regular mattress, and we ordered a 9-inch version of these. So today I'm getting any moment FedEx is coming, and they're bringing me that mattress all compressed. These were neat to watch expand. And then I've also got a smaller box coming with my DJI drone that recently decided to die on me, but it was covered under warranty, so they just sent me a new one. So I'm going to get a pretty good box and a small box. And I know Susie's excited to get the 9-inch version of this on our bed on the porch, and then sometime down the road we're going to order probably the same thickness, same mattress, except queen size for the bedroom in our house. So as soon as I get here, we'll show you that. It won't be a lot to show you, but we're excited to have a fresh new mattress in there. Well, I didn't have the camera out when the FedEx guy came. I don't think he'd really want to be on my YouTube channel, but here's the new mattress. And you've seen on the internet before, people, they all act astounded that a mattress can be small and can open up. I'm not astounded. They can take the air out of a lot of stuff. And then here's the drone that DJI sent me. So let me get Susie and we'll get this in the house.
Oh, yay! The mattress is here. Oh, wow. They sure do pack them light these days. I can't wait to see that expand. Yay, the mattress is here.
Yeah.
Good job. Yay. Ah, wait. No.
What?
No, don't cut it.
What?
You cut it out here, we'll never get it in the door. It expands to creation.
Well, that might be a good point. Good catch.
Okay, so now we have the correct box, and we are in the correct location to open our new mattress.
Without any panicking.
Yes.
Just so you know, we actually do have a real regular bedroom in the house, and we do sleep in there sometimes, but years ago we started sleeping out here. Actually, when it was a cold room, really cold, it had like half brick wall and really lousy aluminum windows and
From
screens.
the 1950s.
At least. And so we did some remodeling several years ago, and so now it's turned into a regular room with drywall, insulation, and really nice windows. It still doesn't have any heat or air conditioning. But,
That's how we like it.
but why do we like sleeping out here, especially in the winter?
Well, it doesn't have that dry heat, the dry air from the furnace.
Right, and we have to hear the furnace go off and on, which sometimes bothers me, sometimes it doesn't. We will sleep in the house if it's super, super hot, but typically we sleep out here, and she's got the electric blanket on, mainly on her side on, not me.
And we live in a quiet neighborhood.
Right, yeah, and at the end of a dead-end street, so it's sort of like indoor camping.
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of.
Get busy. She would never trust me doing this because she knows I would cut into the mattress. So this is still an outer wrap here, and this is actually the Levi model. They have 2 other models that I'll put up on the screen right now, but this is their basic model, and we really liked it, just as their standard foam mattress. And so we just went with a 9-inch. We had a 4-inch in the RV. So one more layer after this. Susie?
I
I mean, but you're light as a feather. It shouldn't be a problem.
Right. Oh, this is so awesome.
And it has the organic cotton cover on it.
This is going to be great for my back.
Yeah.
That's what I liked about the other. It's firm enough, but soft enough. Ooh, oh, I love it.
Alrighty. Woohoo.
Smells good too. Smells like organic cotton.
Yes. Okay, you need to calm down.
No, I really like it.
Well, what do you think, Susie?
I love it.
We measured and decided 9-inch would fit perfectly out here. This is a full-size 9-inch Levi model. A queen could work out here, but it'd be a little squeezy, and so we're fine with this. Yeah. So we're excited to sleep on. I need to take my nap on it today out here. Yay! Because I take a nap every day. I'm not kidding. Every single day I take a nap. So
that's possible.
That's possible, which is most days.
Yeah, most days.
So thanks, Custom Mattress Factory, for a great product.
Yes, thank you
Woo-hoo.
very much.
There we go. Happy wife. Well, there you have it. It's not an exciting video, but I have a happy wife who's very excited about that mattress. I've got a feeling that much sooner than later we'll be ordering a queen size for our bedroom in the house. So we're really happy with it, and thanks, Custom Mattress Factory. Thanks for watching.